Hello everyone, my name is Brent and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about why investing can be easy and a few different steps that I've picked up over the years in my young 20s. I'm going to talk you through why investing can be easy for everybody. There's a lot of information out there and it can almost feel overwhelming at times, and I'm going to simplify that and break it down for you guys. I'll be showing some PowerPoint slides and I'll just be kind of talking about my experiences and walk you guys through my financial journey and hopefully inspire you guys to do the same. So the first point that I want to talk about and why I think investing can be easy is the blueprint is already laid out for you. But an asterisk I put in here is they don't want to teach you this in school. They don't teach you this. At least for me, I learned this in my 20s and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why. For a long time, I really didn't understand what investing was. Investing to me almost sounded like this really complicated thing, that only the rich people could do. And, I grew up and it's like, okay, you learn about investing, learn about all this, always save for retirement, your parents tell you. And what I learned is that investing, people have already laid it out for you. Warren Buffett's already laid out the plan. He said it himself. Investing in low-cost index funds will beat any day trader, personal investor, by a mile. Now that goes to my second point, in low-cost index funds over a long period of time is literally a cheat code. Investing in low-cost index funds, to me, almost feels like a glitch. You can start investing really anytime. Personally, I wish I started at 18. I started at 22 right out of college, maxing out my 401k, but at that point, I still truly didn't know what that meant. I was just kind of blindly investing. Without kind of the baseline fundamental knowledge on why I was investing, what I was investing for, my time horizon, and all these things that I'm talking about now, I'm definitely going to make separate videos about. But, the blueprints are laid out for you. People have already explained how this works. You go invest in low-cost index funds that return you 10% every year. You go invest in the broad market, and that's going to be cheat code. You do that over a 30-year window, you're a multimillionaire. It's crazy to me. How easy it is to anybody to become a millionaire if you just have discipline. That's kind of what I hope my channel could be for a lot of you guys, is just kind of laying out stuff I've learned that really my investment approach is, the simpler it is, the better it is. I got thrown out of college and right into the workforce, and I had some great mentors that advised me to pick up some great investment accounts like an HSA and maxing out your Roth IRA and your 401k. But man, if I stumble across a video like this or the stuff that I've seen on YouTube, I just hope to reach an audience and inspire them and really settle the narrative that investing can be easy. My goal really is on this channel, is to make investing simplified for you guys. I want everybody that watches this video to succeed and do well on their financial journey to ultimately being financially free, which I think is what everyone should be striving for. My second point, why I believe investing can be easy for everybody, is it's not rocket science, right? There's a lot of hard stuff in the world. Rocket science is one of them. Being a doctor is one of them. Me personally, I'm an engineer. That's difficult most days. Investing is not. And again, for a long time, I really thought it was. I thought investing was a complicated thing, and I even fell into the trap when I first started investing about picking individual stocks. And I even fell into back in 2020, I fell into the GameStop, meme stock. I was like, man, is this what really investing is? Hopefully you pick it at the right time it, sell it. As I matured, and I learned it's not really rocket science. You can invest in low-cost index funds. You simplify it down to the three cores if you want a diversified portfolio. Broad market ETF, something like VU or an equivalent. Large cap growth ETF, capitalize on those tech sector stocks. I like SCHG, or you can do a dividend ETF. I like SCHD. You throw all three of those in a portfolio. For 30 years, you're going to be a multimillionaire. Me personally, I like automating it. I'm just going to stick to what works. If I put 30% of the money in the broad market, 30% in large cap growth, 30% dividends, I'll be rich, and I'll be able to retire way early. I wish I stumbled on a video like this, and I'm gonna make a lot of videos about stuff that I wish I'd seen earlier that I could get out to you guys. But it's really not rocket science. Like, you just need discipline, time in the market, and you don't have to work till 60. So I'm gonna invest aggressively in low cost index funds and retire early. Do what I want, with my time, not have to trade my time for money. That's one of my biggest drivers, for making this channel and spreading my knowledge to you guys. Moving into my third point, how I even got to this point of making this YouTube video, taking a leap here is I got a lot of information from other people on YouTube that inspired me to, one, create this channel, and two, just kind of, invest in what works, not reinventing the wheel. Everything's at your fingertips. It's so easy today. And, under that same breath, it can feel like information overload at times. But you got to remind yourself that investing at its core is very easy. You're buying small shares of the best companies in the world, best companies in the United States, and you're building equity through that. In today's information world, there's so many different brokerage account options, so many different HSAs and retirement accounts, and so many high yield savings accounts. So I just wanted to kind of make this video. This is my first YouTube video. I'm giving it a shot about why investing can be easy for everybody. And in future videos, I'm going to definitely go into more details about maybe my journey on what my financial freedom is going to look like. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching this first video. I'm new to this YouTube stuff. So if this video resonated with you, if you got a similar story to me where you're in your 20s and you're looking to build your financial freedom, leave a comment and like below and let me know what you think.